Hey, how's it going, guys? And welcome back to another episode of Life Made Easy. Today, guys, I'm going to bring you a special video where I'm just going to be letting you guys know I'm going to be giving away shoutouts, free shoutouts on the channel. And in return, I only ask one thing. You guys head over to Twitch and follow me on Twitch. I've been streaming some Apex Legends, so if you guys are interested in watching some gaming content, if you're a fan of gaming content, obviously I don't post that a lot, but if you want to watch it, follow me over on Twitch, twitch.tv/lifemadeeasy10. Also, guys, if you didn't already, go check out my previous video. I'm going to put a card in the top right. Please go check out that video. That was an awesome one. If you're looking to start up a Twitch channel and you want to get free alerts, go check that out. I'm giving away free premium keys when it comes to that Twitch extension. Usually you have to pay money for it, but I'm giving them away for free. All I ask is that you follow me on Twitch. So that's going to be it for this video, guys. Make sure to go head over to Twitch. I have the link always in the description if you guys need the link there. So that's basically it. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Comment down below any video suggestions. And yeah, peace.